Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Who can talk like humans? Parrot. Dynamite. Canary. Super. Who lives in an aquarium? Goldfish. Superb. Who carries its own house? Turtle. Phenomenal. Who is super strong? Ants. Good. Who can change skin colors? Chameleon. Hooray! Who makes a hissing sound? Snake. Good work. Kitten. Nice work. Who is called a pig, but is not a pig? Guinea pig. Excellent. Which rodent hides food in his cheek? Hamster. Yes. Puppy. Keep it up. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Parrot. Parrots are very colorful. They can be very amusing. You can train them to say things and sound like people. Canary. A canary is a small bird, usually living in the Canary Islands. Sometimes canaries are kept as pets and live in cages. They can sing very beautifully. Goldfish. Goldfish live in fresh water, usually in Eastern Asia. They have brassy or reddish coloring and are often found in aquariums. The average goldfish can live for 10 to 20 years. But if you take good care of it, it can live as much as 30 years. The oldest goldfish that ever lived was named Tish and died at the age of 41. Turtle. Turtles have horny, toothless jaws and a bony or leathery shell where it hides its head, limbs, and tail. Turtles like to eat plants, jellyfish, shrimp, and clams. Turtles usually lay their eggs in sand on the seashore. Puppy. A puppy is a baby dog. Usually, one dog has 3 or 4 puppies. Puppies drink milk and play with each other. They never seem to get upset, even when they fall down. Their tails wag very quickly. A happy puppy is ready to play with anything and will chew on everything. Hamster. Hamsters are small, furry, and cuddly. They have larger cheek pouches where they hide food. Hamsters need to play outside of the cage at least once a day to get enough exercise. However, they can hide under furniture or in other hard-to-see places. So keep an eye on them so they will remain safe as they explore. Guinea pig. Everyone knows guinea pigs are not really pigs, but not everyone knows that they are not even from Guinea. Some believe that they were named that way because they were sold for a guinea in England. Kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. Usually, cats have 3 or 4 kittens. The mommy cat feeds them with milk, and the kittens play with each other. Snake. Snakes belong to the animal group called reptiles. That means they are related to crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. Snakes eat termites, rodents, birds, frogs, small deer. Ants. Ants are little insects who build houses in the ground and have large families. They might be tiny, but they are very, very strong. If you were as strong as an ant, you would be able to pick up a car and carry it around. Some queen ants can live for many years and have millions of babies.